Hey, welcome back. I'm Frank Menace with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at how to set up a redirection page inside Cheetah. Let's jump right to it. Now here we are inside my coffee shop website, and these are all of the pages that make up my website. So let's just pick a page. So let's say, for example, anyone who landed on this page, we can simply just, instead of opening up that specific page, it will redirect them to another page. Now there are many different reasons why you may want to redirect someone, so let me go in and show you how to do so. So all you have to do is just select the page, go over to the three dots right here, click on that, go to Settings, and then here you'll just make sure you scroll all the way up. Under General Settings you have SEO Settings, click there, and then scroll down to Redirect. This is where you will insert your new link where you want your site visitors to be redirected to. And then selecting the No Index tag is going to keep this page from showing up searchable on any search engines. Alright, and here we have our page share image. Let's go ahead and just select that. Scroll down, select this image, select Save. Go down to the very bottom here, select Save. And now that image is now going to show up here on your page. And anytime someone clicks on this page, it will redirect them to, again, the redirect link that you inserted. And that is how you set up a redirect page inside Cheetah. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Menace with the Builderall team.